Hey there viewers, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to cover how I did this install on my 2012 Chevy Silverado. This is the 5+ gauge wire from Walmart. And this is just a red wire that I had laying around. Right in there is the remote wire, and there's the speaker wires going out to the speakers, the subs. These are the JL Audio truck subs. They are 2 ohm apiece. This amp is running at 1 ohm. This amp is not rated for 1 ohm, but it does work. So, that being said, I know how I did this. If you have an extended cab like this panel here will just pop off. Be careful because those tabs on the bottom, as you can see, this is already broke. Not by me, but somebody else. The wire comes underneath and goes under here and comes out under the carpet. And I'll show you that in just a moment. Coming along underneath here, under the carpet right there, and in to a factory grommet behind the distribution block right there for some of the accessories in your truck. And I'll show you that under the hood. This is a 175 amp mega fuse. This runs most of the accessories in your truck, including your alternator. Because this right here, this wire right here is going over to the alternator of the truck. It's not really ideal to have the power wire coming from the output side of the mega fuse. It's best to put it on before if you're going to run a big system. Because if you overdo this 175 amps, poof, there goes half your truck not working. So I recommend putting it here. I put it here because when I had it here originally, it wasn't wanting to charge. I don't know if it was just not sensing very well or what it was, but I will be changing it back here and see what happens. Now, this is not the best hookup. I have another one of these ring terminals I will be putting on. It's been like this when I took it out of the Tahoe. It was already like this. Pardon the road noise, guys. I say it in every one of my videos. Pardon the wind noise, and pardon the road noise. Ain't much I can do. But the fuse holder is hiding right there. And I have the wire going along the top, zip tied up in a couple spots. And I will be getting split loom for this so it doesn't stick out like a sore thumb. Speaking of thumbs, give this video a big thumbs up. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button too. It goes in through a factory grommet. Can't see it very clearly, but it is going through that little grommet right there. And that grommet goes behind the distribution block. To put it in retrospect, here's your brake booster, here's your brakes. You have the harness for your fuse box coming over. And you have this little harness here going to your brakes, master cylinder. And if you follow that harness, comes up and around and right there. I just simply took that distribution block off. You take this distribution cover off. The cover just clips on. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Mind you, this piece right here is one of those little, like, slip-on push rivet things. So that took a lot more to get off than I remember. But it is just one of those Christmas tree fasteners. So that will be a pain to get off. Once you get that off, there's a clip on the side. There's clips on the side of this that you can literally just push in. There's one right here, and one right there. And you pull it forward, and you see, it comes out. I'm not going to take it all the way out, but, what the hey. You lift it up like that, out of the bracket, and see if I get you a shot of that. Right there it is. Right there. Coming through that grommet. Let's put this back in. Kind of hard to do with one hand, guys. These got a little tabs on them on the sides. And you'll see it when you go to do yours. Pardon the camera angle, guys. I'm going to put the camera down. There you go. So you got these little wings that stick off the sides. A little, looks like a door striker. Set those down on the channels there and give it a push, and it clips back in, and then you put your cover back on like that. And I'll do that off camera here. But anyways, it comes under the carpet along under here, which this is actually going under the carpet all the way back under here. Now these back panels here, these panels right here that cover the seat belt, these do not come off. They are riveted in to place. I don't know if you can see that rivet or not. Right back in there above my finger, there's a rivet on either side. So you can't get this off unless you take those rivets off, but there's really no point to. You can just lift these up a little bit in the corners, slip the wire under. Depending on the gauge of wire, this may not work for you. You may have to take out your seat and run it that way. To get this back on, you got to set those tabs down on the bottom into place, and you give it a push, clips back in. As with these are weird. They have these little hooks like these right here, and they have the metal clips in the center. So you line those up, push those in, like that. And then I have the speaker wire going under the, I have all the wires actually, going under the carpet, right here, under the carpet. There's my audios, and I do not get any feedback because of this all being right here, because this is a really low wattage system. Here's my power wire, here's my ground, which I have it grounded to a bolt on the seat, and here's the speaker wire going to the subs. Now, like I said, these are bridged, so it is a 1 ohm load. So this speaker wire is going back under the carpet and over there and out. This is the MRV M500. Again, not rated for 1 ohm, but it does work. I bumped the system for about a half hour, a little more. Not any issues with it overheating. For the audios, they are coming from there, from the back of the head unit, down behind the glove box, down the pillow trim, the floor trim there, under the carpet, under the sill, and around under the carpet and over to here. It's not showing much, but this kind of covers a basic of one of the ways you can run a system in your 2007 to 2013 Silverado, GMC Sierra, extended cab, crew cab, whatever. This is a general idea. This is how I did it. Do as you wish. Take this just as a guidance. I'm not responsible. Gonna put this out there. I'm not gonna be responsible if you blow up your amp, blow up your subs, blow up your truck, burn your truck to the ground, whatever. I'm not responsible. So I'll just put that out there. But stay tuned, guys, because eventually, here in the future, I'll be putting door speakers in the front and rear. I have the JL Audio 650 components. There's the tweeters. I've yet to put the woofers in the doors yet. And I have the brackets and everything I need to do. I have fast rings, so stay tuned for that. But again, guys, like I said, this is just a tutorial of how I did mine. I'm not a professional. I try to do the best I can. But like I said, give this video a big thumbs up. Smash up. I'm not even going to take that out. I'm going to leave that in there. Smash that subscribe button, guys. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you know, if you get stumped on something on how to do this, drop it in the comments down below. And I will answer any questions, comments, whatever, as much as I can. So guys, till the next time, enjoy the weather and stay tuned.